Once the audit has been run, the results will be accessible from your back office. Audit reports can be downloaded. Results can be managed directly from the interface. Different columns display key information about each result: title, summary, severity, and whether it can be fixed. Severity is color-coded to help prioritize fixes. Clicking on details opens a form to manage the result. The explanation and severity are carried over, and any faulty files are displayed. If configured correctly, buttons for bug trackers will appear. Clicking on one of them will create a ticket. Let's check with GitHub. A ticket has been created using information from the audit result. Another feature exclusive to EasyAudit Premium is the ability to generate patches using EasyAudit Fixer credits. A relative path is set by default, but it can be adjusted based on your needs. Two patch formats are available: Patch and Git. Once you click Generate, the task will be queued on the Crealoz server and delivered as soon as possible. After a minute or two, you can refresh the page, and the patch will appear. Now that a ticket has been created, you can see it in the bug tracker column. For now, only GitHub and Jira are supported, but let us know if there are other bug trackers you'd like to see included. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates from Crealoz.